Here are some of the top current affairs in India for 2024. 1. India's performance at the Paris Olympics 2024. India won a total of 6 medals, including 1 silver and 5 bronze, finishing 71st overall. Notable performances included Neeraj Chopra's silver in javelin and the men's hockey team's bronze. 2. Chandrayaan-3 mission. The ISRO Chandrayaan-3 team was awarded the prestigious Vigyan Team Award for their successful lunar mission. 3. Defense exports. India's defense exports increased by 78% in the first quarter of 2024-25 compared to the same period last fiscal year. 4. India's first International Space Station (ISS) mission. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla became the first Indian to be part of NASA's ISS mission, serving as the primary mission pilot. 5. Political turmoil in Bangladesh. Significant political changes occurred in neighboring Bangladesh, with Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus leading a military-backed interim government after the resignation of Sheikh Hasina amidst massive protests. 6. New scientific awards. The Indian government announced the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar, recognizing outstanding contributions in science and technology. Several prominent scientists were honored across various disciplines. 7. Economic initiatives. India launched the Farmer Distress Index to help monitor and address the issues faced by farmers across the country. This is part of broader efforts to boost agricultural productivity and welfare. 8. India Semiconductor Mission. The mission aimed at making India a global hub for semiconductor design and manufacturing continued to gain traction in 2024. 9. Manipur violence. The Kuki insurgency in Manipur drew significant national attention, highlighting ongoing ethnic tensions and the government's efforts to restore peace in the region. 10. Clean Ganga Mission. Concerns were raised over the slow pace of projects under the Clean Ganga Mission, prompting government scrutiny. 11. Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra. Prime Minister Modi launched new initiatives under the Swachh Bharat mission to further the cleanliness and sanitation drive across India. 12. India's digital infrastructure. The government introduced the Samridh initiative, aiming to support early-stage startups in scaling their operations by providing financial backing and infrastructure support. 13. Cyclone Asani. Cyclone Asani caused significant damage in several states, leading to large-scale relief and rehabilitation efforts by the government. 14. AP Export Preparedness Index. This new index was introduced to help Indian states identify areas for improvement in export preparedness and to enhance their international trade competitiveness. 15. Global Biodiversity Conservation. India played a pivotal role in discussions around biodiversity conservation, with special attention to restoring the Banni grasslands of Gujarat. 16. Air-independent propulsion technology. India made strides in advancing its submarine technology, with significant progress reported in air-independent propulsion systems. 17. National Curriculum Framework, NCF, 2024. The new NCF was introduced, focusing on a more flexible and integrated approach to school education, aiming to better prepare students for the challenges of the future. 18. India's green hydrogen policy. The government continued to push for renewable energy, with an emphasis on green hydrogen as a key component of India's energy transition strategy. 19. Legal reforms. Several reforms were introduced to streamline the judiciary, including efforts to reduce the backlog of cases and make justice more accessible. 20. United Nations Environment Assembly. India actively participated in the Assembly, advocating for stronger global environmental protection measures.